Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're delving into the world of Solana and its unexpected encounter with meme coin traders. Let's dive in and explore what's been happening in the Solana ecosystem. So, what's the deal with Solana and meme coin traders? Well, it all started when Solana, a high-performance blockchain platform known for its scalability and low transaction fees, found itself thrust into the spotlight of the meme coin craze. Meme coins, for those unfamiliar, are cryptocurrencies that often gain popularity through viral memes and social media hype rather than traditional fundamentals or utility. Despite Solana's reputation as a serious blockchain project with real-world applications in decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and more, it recently caught the attention of meme coin traders who sought to capitalize on its rising popularity. These traders began creating and promoting meme coins that purportedly leveraged Solana's blockchain technology, using catchy names and clever marketing tactics to attract attention and drive speculation. One such example is the Sol meme coin, a meme coin inspired by Solana that gained traction on social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit. Despite having no real utility or purpose beyond serving as a speculative asset, Sol meme quickly garnered a devoted following among meme coin enthusiasts who were drawn to its playful branding and promise of quick profits. However, the rise of meme coins like Sol meme has raised concerns within the Solana community about the potential for reputation damage and investor confusion. Unlike genuine projects built on the Solana blockchain, meme coins offer little to no value beyond short-term speculation, making them inherently risky investments. Moreover, their association with Solana could create misconceptions among investors about the legitimacy and integrity of the Solana ecosystem as a whole. In response to the proliferation of meme coins on its platform, Solana has taken steps to distance itself from these speculative assets and clarify its stance on their use. The Solana Foundation, the organization responsible for overseeing the development and adoption of the Solana blockchain, issued a statement urging caution and reminding users to conduct thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Despite the challenges posed by meme coin traders, Solana remains steadfast in its commitment to its core mission of building a scalable and secure blockchain platform for decentralized applications, DApps. As one of the leading blockchain projects in the crypto space, Solana has been relentless in its pursuit of scalability, security, and innovation, aiming to address the limitations of existing blockchain networks and unlock new possibilities for decentralized technology. With its impressive technological features and capabilities, Solana has positioned itself as a formidable competitor in the blockchain industry. One of Solana's key strengths lies in its ability to process transactions at lightning-fast speeds, thanks to its unique consensus mechanism known as Proof of History, POH. By leveraging POH alongside other innovative technologies like Proof of Stake, POS, and parallel processing, Solana is able to achieve a throughput of up to 65,000 transactions per second, far surpassing the capabilities of many other blockchain platforms. Solana's network boasts exceptionally low transaction fees, making it an attractive option for developers and users seeking cost-effective solutions for building and interacting with decentralized applications. Unlike some other blockchain networks where high fees and network congestion can hinder usability and adoption, Solana's low fees ensure that users can transact on the network efficiently and affordably, regardless of transaction volume or network activity. In addition to its remarkable technical features, Solana has fostered a vibrant and rapidly expanding ecosystem of projects and developers. Across various sectors ranging from decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols and non-fungible token, NFT, marketplaces to gaming platforms and decentralized exchanges, DEXs, the Solana ecosystem is brimming with innovation and creativity. Every day, new projects and initiatives emerge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology and showcasing the versatility and scalability of the Solana platform. At the heart of Solana's ecosystem are DeFi protocols that leverage its high throughput and low latency infrastructure to offer users efficient and cost-effective financial services. These protocols enable users to lend, borrow, trade, and earn yield on their assets without relying on traditional intermediaries, providing greater financial inclusion and accessibility to users around the world. From decentralized lending platforms like Solana and Mango markets to automated market makers like Radium and Serum, Solana's DeFi ecosystem offers a diverse range of services and opportunities for users to participate in the burgeoning decentralized finance space. Indeed, Solana's potential to disrupt traditional finance and unlock new possibilities in the world of decentralized technology has not gone unnoticed by investors, developers, and users alike. The platform's ability to offer scalable, secure, and cost-effective solutions for building and deploying dApps has earned it a reputation as a leading blockchain platform with significant growth potential. As a result, Solana continues to attract attention and investment from both institutional players and retail investors, who recognize the transformative power of blockchain technology and the role that Solana could play in shaping the future of finance and technology. In conclusion, despite facing challenges from meme coin traders and speculative assets, Solana remains firmly committed to its mission of building a scalable and secure blockchain platform for decentralized applications. With its impressive technical features, growing ecosystem, and widespread recognition within the crypto community, Solana is well positioned to lead the next wave of innovation in decentralized technology. As the crypto space continues to evolve and mature, Solana stands poised to play a central role in shaping the future of finance, technology, and beyond. That's all for today's video. Until next time.